Ladies and gentlemen, what is the Mediterranean Masterclass? For sure it's not a certificate and it's not just a course. It is a program specifically made for those of you that you want to gain confidence in order to take your family and your friends on board to a charter boat. During this program, you're going to challenge yourself to the areas that you need to be challenged in order to gain confidence, which is leadership, techniques for docking, techniques for sailing, and crisis management. That means that you are going to take the boat out of the marina, you're going to lead your crew in order to do a nice sailing and go to the best destination that you choose, and all of this under my personal guidance. What kind of boats we use for the Mediterranean Masterclass? One variation is with a catamaran and the other is with a monohull. You can check the program to see which boat is scheduled for which period. The duration is highly recommended to be 2 consecutive weeks, but you can choose to come either the first, either the second week, either both of the weeks. How many participants during the program? We have strictly 5 students, but you can bring with you whoever you like who can participate just as a passenger to our trip, because we do not do only training. Part of the training, part of the program is to enjoy the destinations. And this is a nice chance for your friends and family to participate as well. I have to make it clear, ladies and gentlemen, that it's one of the most challenging programs that we have, but it is also one of the most rewarding. Why is that? Because you do almost everything by yourself. It's like climbing to the most difficult mountain and enjoy the sunset from the top of the mountain. Don't hesitate, guys, contact us and come and live this life-changing experience with us, and see you on board very soon.